This is Ethan, a senior product designer in the aerospace sector. Around 1.5 years back, he needed top-notch components for a new drone prototype. His designs included complex geometries requiring advanced CNC machining for both metal and plastic parts. One day, he got to know about Createproto Rapid System Limited. He chose them for their expertise in high-precision manufacturing. The team's ability to handle intricate 2D and 3D drawings ensured flawless parts that met stringent aerospace standards. Ethan appreciated the quick turnaround and versatility of materials offered by them. The perfectly machined components helped him achieve a critical project milestone. For Ethan, Createproto Rapid System Limited became an essential partner in innovation. If you need the same assistance, you should visit createproto.com.